What is going on, guys? So today I will be showing you guys the new exhaust that I pulled. Kind of new. Honestly, I had a 3-inch with 2 mufflers, and I cut the mufflers off and did 370Z resonators. And it sounds pretty loud, but it's really not too terrible. I'll let you guys hear it, and you guys can figure out for yourself if you like it. This is a cold start, by the way. Alright guys, that was a cold start, and now we're gonna do a warm start and some revs. Guys, so that was my exhaust. It is a 3-inch straight pipe all the way to 370Z resonators. I think they're 2-inch, and that's how it sounds. Now it's a little bit loud, it's a little bit raspy. I think we're gonna add an X-pipe resonator from some car. I don't know, it's just at the shop, it's an extra piece. We're gonna add that into the mid pipe, and hopefully it'll sound a lot better. When we get that done, I'll film that whole process and get a clip out for you guys on that. If you guys do want to do this exhaust, it's really loud. Now I don't know how well the camera picked it up, but it's loud, but it's fun, honestly. Like, it's, if you got an NA300ZX and you just want to be loud and obnoxious and that guy, then this is the exhaust for you. Straight pipe is a little bit too raspy, doesn't sound as good. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, leave a fat thumbs up, and as always, subscribe.